Eldridge.
Aldrich, you're from?
I'm originally from Canada, but currently I'm working in Singapore.
All right.
I'm here in KL at our TechEd 2007.
KL Kuala Lumpur, right?
That's right.
Okay.
To talk a lot about SilerLight.
SilerLight.
This is our new development technology for bringing interactive internet applications to the web. And we've had a lot of new announcements associated with SilerLight in the last couple of weeks.
All right.
The first being it's gone gold, so to speak. That's a big moment for us. It's actually been released, the 1.0 version. And along with that, some of our tools for building SilerLight applications, including an expression encoder, has been released. So that's largely what I do and what I'm here at TechEd to talk about.
So you work as what? I mean, developer evangelist?
I work as what's called a live evangelist. So I'm very I do the same thing as the developer evangelist.
Live evangelist.
That's correct.
Oh, I never heard before.
They tried the dead ones. They didn't work out too well. So,
right.
But what I do is I go out and I talk to the community and enterprise customers about technology to deliver their solutions on the web.
All right.
And SilerLight's a big portion of that for Microsoft.
Okay.
SilerLight being a plugin for the browser that's cross-platform.
Okay.
Currently it supports both Mac and Windows OSs, but we also just entered a partnership with Novell to support Linux OSs as well.
Oh, I see.
The browsers we support natively right now are IE and Firefox, as well as Safari on the Mac, and soon we'll have Opera with the Novell partnership.
So now Microsoft is supporting cross-platform browsers.
Cross-browser, cross-platform. SilerLight's really designed for sort of rich media applications. You and I talked on the floor about.
Yeah, we spoke before, right?
You have a blog where we posted a SilerLight application that was consuming a video file.
It was very fine. Just within a few minutes we did it. Hardly 3-4 minutes.
That's right. So that's what really SilerLight is focused on, is delivering this interactivity. It packages the codec up in the plugin, so you don't have to worry about that on the client side, the codec being the decoder, so to speak, for the video file that's sent down. Currently we support all the the VC1 standards, that's the WMV standards, for video distribution.
So, if you ask you to explain what is SilerLight, how would you explain
Well, it's a plugin. If you work and develop in browser technology, browsers interpret HTML and display things on the screen. They use JavaScript to provide interactivity, and then there are things called plugins or ActiveX objects. These are things that run inside the browser and deliver specific functionality. So for example, if you open up a Word document and you see it in a browser, there is a Word plugin. Other popular plugins are things like PowerPoint and things around competitive technologies like Flash. These are all plugins where you install them once on the browser and then they're available for other applications to use, and that's essentially what SilerLight is.
Alright, and we came to know the SilerLight also provide free hosting for videos and all that?
There's a companion service. SilerLight's a technology. There's a companion service on the live platform called SilerLight Streaming. What SilerLight Streaming is, it's a place where people can explore the use of SilerLight in a streaming context. So Microsoft provides up to 4 gigs of storage for people to come and upload trial applications and start working with and start experiencing the advantages of using this technology. Now, there is a limit. There's a size limit to the individual video that you can post. Physically, it's 22 megs, which corresponds to about 10 to 12 minutes of sort of standard video quality on the web and about 5 minutes of high quality product.
And earlier you just spoke about Expression Studio.
Yes.
So just elaborate a bit about that.
Recently, and recently I mean the last couple of years, Microsoft's really put a focus on the user experience side of application development. And the Expression Studio is a set of products specifically designed to support designers in delivering their portion of the workflow. And the 4 products are encompassed in the Expression Studio or Expression Web. You're moving on me, so I'm
trying to capture,
the background. So Expression Studio 4 products. There's Expression Web, which is sort of a traditional web editing tool. There is Expression Design, which is really a graphic design tool for editing logos and vector graphics. There's Expression Blend, which is all about creating animations.
All right.
And finally, there's Expression Media, which includes a product called Expression Encoder, which is what you need to convert video like you're shooting with your recorder right now into a smaller, more condensed format that can be distributed on the internet. And the example I use all the time is I have a video recorder which I record my daughter in her school recitals. Recently I took about a 10-minute clip.
All right.
It was about 600 megs on the video recorder. By the time I had it compiled down, to about 21 megs.
Cool.
So this is what the encoder does. Gives you a whole bunch of tools around delivering that video, and some ways to integrate that video into a SilerLight application. And that's one of the things we did is we captured a little video and then we used the encoder to publish that as a SilerLight application.
I saw that. Yeah. So Expression Studio. I mean, you name so many applications, so it's a whole bunch of suite of...
That's right. It's a suite of, just like when you say Microsoft Office, you're talking about Word, you're talking about Excel, you're talking about PowerPoint. When you talk about Expression Studio, you're talking about a collection of products.
All right. So how many products in that suite?
4.
4 products.
Yes.
And comparatively, I mean, about the licensing and all that, it's a single user, single PC?
You can buy the products individually, or you can buy the products as a suite.
Suite of products, okay. That sounds fantastic. And so, tell us about TechEd Malaysia. I mean, is it your first time here?
This is my first time in TechEd Malaysia. I think the venue here is fantastic. It's actually my first time to KL as well.
Okay.
And I'm very impressed with the city and the scenery, and it's very beautiful, and of course the petroleum towers are at night lit up quite fantastic, so it's been a great experience.
So have you been to the 44th floor of this Petronas Tower?
I haven't been to the 44th floor yet, no, but I've been to the first floor. So.
All right. So you also blog about?
I do. My blog is John on the Web at the MSN Blogs.
So
I also have a developer website that's www.johnontheweb.net.
All right. And what's your blog address? Is mentioned there on the website?
Yes, it's mentioned on the website.
All right. So I'm run out of questions.
All right. Well, that's great. Thanks for taking the opportunity to listen to me.
Same here. All right. Thanks for your time, John.
Okay.
So
see you next year.
Next year, yeah, hopefully.
Okay.
Bye-bye.